Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be continuing with concept number 6, inequalities and their graphs. Last class we went over the inequality symbols, which were like these. The greater than, the less than, the greater than or equal to, and the less than or equal to. Today we are going to be learning how to graph these. So please make sure you have your pencil and paper ready to take notes. Here we have our first example, which it would be read like this. Y is less than -2. Less than because, again, remember and think about this as Pac-Man. He wants to eat the bigger number. So we know that -2 is bigger than whatever y is. And remember, y is just a variable because it varies. We don't know what it is. Now, how to graph it? We're going to start off by using something that we have already used in the past. A number line, okay? So this should look familiar. Now, how to graph it? We know that y is a number that is smaller or has less value than -2. Now on the number line, we can pinpoint number 2, -2, right? Okay, it's right here. Now, we know that it's less than, but that's all we know. We don't know if it's equal to -2 or not. So, to be able to graph this correctly, we're going to make a circle without filling it in. And keep that in mind because it is important. We will not be filling it in because the inequality sign, okay? It is just less than. Now, again, we know this number is smaller or has less value than -2. So we're going to go this way on the number line because the numbers on this side have less value. So we will be drawing a line this way. And that is how this inequality is graphed. Let's go in with a different example. Now we have this one. This inequality looks a little different because of the symbol. Now we're using greater than or equal to. So this would be read, t is greater than or equal to +4. Now again, the inequality sign has a lot to do with how it is going to look when it's graphed. We know that t is our variable and we don't really know the value of it, but we do know that it is equal to or more or has a greater value than 4. So we know we can pinpoint 4 on the number line. It's right here. But it can be equal to. So remember, in the last example, we left an open circle. For this one, we are going to fill it in. So it will be a solid circle, like so. And we know that the value of t is larger than 4, so we're going to draw a line towards this side on the number line, where the numbers have more value. Does that make sense to everybody? Let's do a quick review and go in with your assignment. So things to remember. When you have a greater than or less than sign, our point will be a circle. It will not be solid. When we have a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to symbol, our dot will be solid. Okay? So those are things to remember. So keep an eye out for that. And also, depending on to where our symbol is facing, whether it's greater than or less than, our arrows will be pointing. Here are two inequalities that I want you guys to graph on your own. If you have any questions on how to do this or any questions on the subject, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you all have a very wonderful day, and I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon. Goodbye.